Namaste, dear all. Once again, thanks for contributing for a noble cause. I am very grateful to you. Now, the requests are coming like anything. I don't know how many I'll be able to sing, and there are so many repetitions. So I am not announcing all those names who are asking for a single song. And people have forgotten when I requested, whatever is the amount you contribute, with gratefully, I can sing one song per person. Otherwise, it's very, very tough. Still, I have more than 135, 140 requests pending. I have to somehow complete that request. So keep that in mind. So only one request for whatever is the amount you contribute. And if I am not singing any of these songs you asked, please go back and look at the other episodes. I might have sung for somebody else's request. It is not the question of announcing the names here. It is the question of your nobility in giving your contributions when I requested through this channel. Thank you very much. Today's first choice is by Srimati Rukmini Jayaraman from a Tamil film called Shikaram. The lyric is by Sri Vairamuthuji, and I composed the music. Along with me, Chitraji has sung this song. இதோ என் பல்லவி எப்போது கீதமாகுமோ, இவன் உந்தன் சரணமென்றால் அப்போது வேதமாகுமோ. இது என் பல்லவி. அந்த வானம் தீர்ந்து போகலாம், நம் வாழ்க்கை தீருமா? பருவங்களும் நிறம் மாறலாம், நம் பாசம் மாறுமா? என் வாழ்க்கை என்னும் கோப்பையில் இது என்ன பானமோ, பருகாமலே ருசேருதே இது என்ன ஜாலமோ. நீ கீர்த்தனை நான் பிரார்த்தனை பொருந்தாமல் போகுமா? இது என் பல்லவி எப்போது கீதமாகுமோ, இவன் உந்தன் சரணமென்றால் அப்போது வேதமாகுமோ. இது என் பல்லவி. Next choice is by Dr. Sri K.V.N. Sharath for a Telugu song written by Sri Atreya, composed by Sri M.S. Vishwanathan ji, for a Telugu film by Balachandra ji, Kokilamma, song sung by me. Dr. Sir, thanks for your contribution. పల్లవించవానా గొంతులు, పల్లవి కావానా పాటలు. పల్లవించవానా గొంతులు, పల్లవి కావానా పాటలు. ప్రణయ సుధారాధా నా బ్రతుకు నీది కాదా? పల్లవించవా నా గొంతులు, పల్లవి కావా నా పాటలు. నేనున్నది నీలోనే, ఆ నేను నీవేలే, నాదన్నది ఏమున్నది నాలు. నీవే నాడు మలచావు ఈ రాతిని, నేనీ నాడు పలకాలి నీ గీతిని. నీ ప్రేమకు కలశాన్ని, నీ పూజకు నిలయాన్ని, నీ వీణకు నాదాన్ని కానా. నీ ఇన్నాళ్ళు చేసింది ఆరాధన, నీకీనాడు తెలిపేది నా వేదన. ఇదే నాకు తపమని, ఇదే నాకు వరమని, ఇదే నిన్ను వినమని, ఇదే నిజం అనమని చెప్పాలని ఉంది, గుండె విప్పాలని ఉంది, చెప్పాలని ఉంది, గుండె విప్పాలని ఉంది. పల్లవించవా నా గొంతులో, పల్లవి కావా నా పాటలో, పల్లవి కావా నా పాటలో. ప్రణయ సుధారాధా నా బ్రతుకు నీది కాదా. పల్లవించవా నా గొంతులో, పల్లవి కావా నా పాటలో. Next song is for Sri Umesh Gudi. It's a Kannada song from the film Mrigalaya. Rajan Nagendra has written the score, music score, and Uday Shankar ji has written the song, lyrics, my solo song. Sir, thanks for your contribution. Aha, la 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 la. Alaya Mrigalaya, Alaya Mrigalaya, ಬಾನಾಡಿಗಳ ನಿಲಯ. ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ತರುವ ಈ ಕಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಆನಂದ ಕೊಡುವ ನೂರಾರು ಜೀವಿಯ ಆಲಯ ಮೃಗಾಲಯ, ಬಾನಾಡಿಗಳ ನಿಲಯ. ಆನೆ ಸಿಂಹ ಚಿರತೆಯ, ಒಂಟೆ ಹುಲಿ ಕರಡಿಯ, ಆನೆ ಸಿಂಹ ಚಿರತೆಯ, ಒಂಟೆ ಹುಲಿ ಕರಡಿಯ ಭಯವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನೀ ನೋಡುವೆ, ಕಣ್ಬಲೆಯಲೇ ಸೆರೆ ಹಾಕುವೆ. ಮಂಗನಿಂದ ಮಾನವ ಬಂದನೆಂಬ ಸತ್ಯವ ಕಂಡಿದುರಲೇ ನೀ ಕಾಣುವೆ, ಆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿಯುವೆ, ಕಾಡಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವಂತೆ ಪಡುವೆ ಭ್ರಮಯ 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 ಆಲಯ ಮೃಗಾಲಯ, ಆಲಯ ಮೃಗಾಲಯ, ಬಾನಾಡಿಗಳ ನಿಲಯ. ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ತರುವ ಈ ಕಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಆನಂದ ಕೊಡುವ ನೂರಾರು ಜೀವಿಯ ಆಲಯ ಮೃಗಾಲಯ. ಲಾ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಆಹಾ ಲ ಲ ಲ ಲ. Next choice is by Sri Ramam Devaraju from Dallas, Texas, and Chiranjeevi Shankar from Muscat. It's a Tamil song written by Sri Vairamuthuji, composed by Sri Ilayaraja for the film Ninaivellam Nithya. பனிவிழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரம் பனி விழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரம் இனிவரும் முனிவரும் தடுமாறும் கனிமரம் பனி விழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரம் இனிவரும் முனிவரும் தடுமாறும் கனிமரம் இனிவரும் முனிவரும் தடுமாறும் கனிமரம் பனி விழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரம் காமன் கோயில் சிறைவாசம் காலை எழுந்தால் பரிகாசம் காமன் கோயில் சிறைவாசம் காலை எழுந்தால் பரிகாசம் தழுவிடும் பொழுதிலே இடம் மாறும் இதயமே வியர்வையின் மழையிலே பயிராகும் பருவமே ஆடும் இலைகளில் வழிகிற நில ஒளி இருவிழி மழையில் நனைந்து மகிழும் வானம் பாடி பனி விழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரும் இனிவரும் முனிவரும் தடுமாறும் கனிமரம் இனிவரும் முனிவரும் தடுமாறும் கனிமரம் பனி விழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரும் பனி விழும் மலர்வனம் பனி விழும் மலர்வனம் பனி விழும் மலர்வனம். Thanks for your contribution. The next choice is by Sri Sai Bharadwaj. He wants to dedicate this number to his father. The song is from a Telugu film Bobbili Puli, and the lyric is by Sri Dasari Narayana Rauji, who was the director of the film also, and music by Sri J.V. Raghavalu. जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी ఏ తల్లి నినుగన్నదో ఏ తల్లి నినుగన్నదో ఆ తల్లినే కన్న భూమి గొప్పదిరా జననీ జన్మభూమిశ్చ స్వర్గాదపి గరీయసి స్వర్గాదపి గరీయసి నీ తల్లి మోసేది నవమాసాలేరా ఈ తల్లి మోయాలి కడవరకురా కట్టె కాలే వరకురా నీ తల్లి మోసేది నవమాసాలేరా ఈ తల్లి మోయాలి కడవరకురా కట్టె కాలే వరకురా ఆ రుణం తల కొరివితో తీరేనురా ఈ రుణం ఏ రూపాన తీరేదిరా ఆ రూపమే ఈ జవానురా త్యాగానికి మరో రూపు నువ్వురా ఆ రూపమే ఈ జవానురా త్యాగానికి మరో రూపు నువ్వురా జననీ జన్మభూమిశ్చ స్వర్గాదపి గరీయసి ఏ తల్లి నిను కన్నదో ఏ తల్లి నిను గన్నదో ఆ తల్లినే కన్న భూమి గొప్పదిరా జననీ జన్మభూమిశ్చ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಾದಪಿ ಗರೀಯಸಿ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಾದಪಿ ಗರೀಯಸಿ. Next choice is by Sri Maran Kumar for a Kannada song from the film Bayaludari, the lyric by Sri G. Uday Shankar and music by Sri Rajan Nagendraji. ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವೆ ಮನವ ಕಾಡುವ ರೂಪಸಿಯೇ, ಬಯಕೆಯ ಬಳ್ಳಿಯ ನಗುವ ಹೂವಾದ ಪ್ರೇಯಸಿಯೇ, ಬಯಕೆಯ ಬಳ್ಳಿಯ ನಗುವ ಹೂವಾದ ಪ್ರೇಯಸಿಯೇ. ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವೆ ಮನವ ಕಾಡುವ ರೂಪಸಿಯೇ, ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವೆ ಮನವ ಕಾಡುವ ರೂಪಸಿಯೇ. ತೇಲುವ ಈ ಮೋಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀನಿಂತ ಹಾಗಿದೆ, ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತ ನಲಿ ನಲಿದು ನನ್ನ ಕೂಗಿದಂತಿದೆ. ಸೇರುವ ಭಾಗಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದಂತಿದೆ, ತನುವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಗುರಾಗಿ ತೇಲಾಡುವಂತಿದೆ, ಆಡುವಂತಿದೆ. ಚೆಲುವೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವೆ ಮನವ ಕಾಡುವ ರೂಪಸಿಯೇ. ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೇ ಒಲವಿನ ಗೀತೆ ನೀನು ಹಾಡಿದಂತಿದೆ, ನಿನ್ನಾಸೆ ಅತಿಯಾಗಿ ತೂರಾಡುವಂತಿದೆ. ಹಗಲಲ್ಲೂ ಚಂದನ ಕಾಣೋ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ನನ್ನದಾಗಿದೆ, ಚಂದ್ರಿಕೆಯ ಚೆಲುವಿಂದ ಬಾಳು ಭವ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ, ಭವ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವೆ ಮನವ ಕಾಡುವ ರೂಪಸಿಯೇ, ಬಯಕೆಯ ಬಳ್ಳಿಯ ನಗುವ ಹೂವಾದ ಪ್ರೇಯಸಿಯೇ, ಬಯಕೆಯ ಬಳ್ಳಿಯ ನಗುವ ಹೂವಾದ ಪ್ರೇಯಸಿ. ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವೆ ಮನವ ಕಾಡುವ ರೂಪಸಿಯೇ. ಲಲಲಲಲಲಲಲಲಲ. Mr. Maran, thanks for your contribution. Thank you so very much. Dear all, I had been mentioning on and off that this will be choice of songs sung by me only. But most of them are asking from some songs which I have not sung, whether knowingly by or unknowingly. Particularly because you all know that I respect and love Rafiji than any other thing. People are asking for Rafiji songs also. This, if I go on singing like other songs like that, not that I should not sing, if I go on singing like that, there will be a lot of the other choices will be left behind. I don't know whether I will have time to do them all. But at the same time, I don't want hurt to anybody's feelings. I am giving two small jhalaks of Rafi Sahab today. The request was by Sri Srinivas Parsalli and Mr. Brijbala. Two particular Pallavi, little Antara I will sing. But hereafter, don't ask for other singers' songs. With due respect to them, and because of the time limit we had, I may not be able to do that. Thank you very, very much. And tomorrow, don't say, when you have sung two choices of others, why not ours? Please, let us have some logic behind this. Thank you so very much. And don't forget to stay home and stay safe until the lockdown is removed. That is what we can do. And as I said, respect the medical fraternity, police department, sanitation department, and we are all working around the clock to keep us safe. Respect them first of all. That's very important. Thank you very much. Thanks for all your contribution. And what can I say? I am nothing without you. चौदहवीं का चाँद हो या आफ़ताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो। चौदहवीं का चाँद हो, जुल्फ़ें हैं जैसे कांधों पे बादल झुके हुए, आँखें हैं जैसे मय के प्याले भरे हुए, मस्ती है जिसमें प्यार की तुम वो शराब हो। चौदहवीं का चाँद हो या आफ़ताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो। चौदहवीं का चाँद हो। चाहूँगा मैं तुझे सांझ चाहूँगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे, फिर भी कभी अब नाम को तेरे आवाज़ मैं न दूँगा, आवाज़ मैं न दूँगा। चाहूँगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे, फिर भी कभी अब नाम को तेरे आवाज़ मैं न दूँगा, आवाज़ मैं न दूँगा। चाहूँगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे, देख मुझे सब है पता, सुनता है तू मन की सदा। देख मुझे सब है पता, सुनता है तू मन की सदा। मितवा मेरे यार तुझको बार बार आवाज़ मैं न दूँगा, आवाज़ मैं न दूँगा। चाहूँगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे। There will be a lot of mistakes. That man is Gandharva. I am just a small fry. So if I committed any mistakes, please forgive me. And I'll be definitely be singing for you in the next telecasting. Once again, I'm very, very grateful for all your contributions. Sarve jana sujana bhavantu. Sarve sujana sukhino bhavantu. Swasti.